In our last class, what did we learn? Is very good. We learned the story of three farmers, right? Yes, we learned the story of three farmers. Do you remember that? Yes or no? Yes, okay. The three farmers, they tried to save their crops, right? Yes, they worried about their crops because their crops were infected by pests, animals and so on. So they tried to save their crops. Okay, tell me, what did the first farmer do to save his crop? Yes, very good. He put a scarecrow, right? Yes, he put a scarecrow. Scarecrow. He put a scarecrow. What's the spelling for scarecrow? S-C-A-R-E-C-R-O-W, right? Yes, scarecrow. What did the second farmer do? Yes, very good. He used pesticides, right? Yes, pesticides. P-E-S-T-I-C-I-D-E-S. Read along with me. P-E-S-T-I-C-I-D-E-S. Pesticide. Okay, what did the third farmer do? You know the answer. Yes, very good. He built a fence. He built a fence. Yes, the first farmer put a scarecrow to save his crops. The second farmer used pesticide to kill the pest. Then the third farmer built a fence around his field, right? Yes. But all their plans failed. All their plans failed. One day they met an old man, right? Yes. The old man gave one stick to each and said to broke, right? And said to broke, everyone broke it. Then he gave a bundle of sticks, right? Yes, bundle of sticks. The old man gave a bundle of sticks to each. Did they broke? No, right? Yes, nobody did that. Nobody could break it. At last, they understood, the three farmers, they understood, if we work together, we can easily save the crops, right? Yes, at last they understood, if we work together, we can easily save the crops. Okay, let's do that previous day homework. Okay, let's see the answer for that questions. Are you ready? Okay. Open your workbook. Page number 31. Worksheet 6. A. Listen to the story carefully. Discuss with your partner and answer the questions. First question. Where did Millie and Nancy go for their school picnic? Where? Yes, very good. Zoo, right? Yes, Millie and Nancy went to City Zoo for a picnic. Yes, Millie and Nancy went to City Zoo for a picnic. Which animal is referred to as the Jungle King in this story? Which animal? Yes, very good. Lion, right? Yes, a huge lion was named the Jungle King. Third question. Which animal did Millie spot on the rock? Which animal Millie spot on the rock? Yes, she saw a big turtle, right? Yes, She saw a big turtle on the rock. Yes, Millie spotted a big turtle on a rock. She spotted a big turtle on a rock. Check your answers, okay? Okay, my dear children, today we are going to learn about express my thoughts. Okay, express my thoughts. And why my? Then thoughts. THOUGHTS. Express my thoughts. How to express your thoughts and what are the ways to express your thoughts. Then my classroom. I am going to show your classroom. Okay, my dear children. Sometimes we agree or disagree with the other person's ideas, right? Yes, sometimes we agree their ideas. Sometimes we disagree their ideas. It's our choice, right? Yes. Don't make a fight out of this. If you disagree their ideas, don't make a fight out of this, okay? The main thing is you must know how to show your opinion, okay? How to show your opinion. You have the rights to express your opinions, ideas, thoughts, okay? You must know how to show your opinions, okay? And disagree without sounding aggressive, okay? If you disagree their points, you must know without sounding aggressive, okay? I told you, you have the right to express your opinions, thoughts and so on, okay? At the same time, show that you are listening and understanding and appreciating others' ideas and their thoughts also, okay? Don't think your points only correct. Others also, they have their own views, ideas. So you show that you are listening, understanding and appreciating their opinions, thoughts, ideas, okay? If they feel comfortable, they will be more open to your ideas, opinions or suggestions, okay? If they feel comfortable, they will be more open to your ideas, opinions and suggestions. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. So keep this in your mind. You must know how to show your opinions with others, and if you disagree with their ideas, don't make a fight out of their ideas, okay? Okay, some examples. If you want to express your thoughts in personal, okay, if you want to express your thoughts in personal with your friends or relatives or families, okay, you can start with in my opinion and so on, okay? In my opinion, in my experience, I really feel that, okay? In my opinion, in my experience, I really feel that, okay? Some examples. In my opinion, okay? In my opinion, we can say like that. In my opinion, she likes her mother so much, okay? In my opinion, she likes her mother so much. She likes her mother so much. So much, okay? In my opinion, she likes her mother so much. Like that, we can express our thoughts by using in my opinion, okay? Next, in my experience. How can we use in my experience? Okay, let me tell you. In my experience, we can say like that. I have ever seen a girl like this in my experience, okay? I have never seen a girl like this in my experience, okay? I have never seen a girl like this. Okay, I have never seen a girl like this in my experience. Okay, next, I really feel that. I really feel that. How can we use I really feel that? The girl is so good. Okay, I really feel that this girl is so good. Okay, this girl is so good. This girl is so good. Okay, these are the 3 examples. If you want to share your thoughts in public and so on, you can use everybody knows that. Okay, everybody knows that. The point is that. The thing is that. Okay, everybody knows that. The point is that. The thing is that. Okay, here are some examples. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. You can say everybody knows that global warming is an important problem. Okay, everybody knows that global warming is an important problem. Important problem. Okay, everybody knows that global warming is an important problem. Okay, you can use corona and so on. Then next, the thing is that. How can we use? Okay, let me tell you. The thing is that we tend to go park. Okay, we tend to go park. We tend to go park. Okay, the thing is that we tend to go park. Okay, my dear children, now I am going to show your classroom pictures. My classroom. This is the place I learned so many things. Here my teacher writes and teach, and here I read and write. It sure is a pretty sight to see my classmates sitting in rows. Oh, so nice. My classroom is a very big one. It is neat and clean. My classroom has 3 windows and 1 door. It has 3 fans. There is a big blackboard and whiteboard in my classroom, and also a smart board in my classroom. The desk and chairs are properly arranged for the students. There are cupboards in my classroom. My classroom is decorated with the charts made by the students. I love my classroom very much. Open your students' book. Take page number 42. Talk about your classroom. Say what you would like to change in the classroom and why. This is your homework. You may answer these questions. Will you change the class seating? Are there any decorations that you want in the classroom? What colors will you paint the wall? What kind of desk would you like? Is there anything you would like to change? Okay? This is your homework. Do your homework. Then send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.